Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to the introduction of ACCA Study Hub. So you must have watched some videos on YouTube about ACCA Study Hub, and if you have not, then you're on the right platform. So you need to watch this video till the end to get your head clear from all this mess of what is this state ACCA Study Hub, what is this ACCA resources, ACCA study textbook, what about BPP and Kaplan, whether I can download the textbook, whether it is free of cost, whether it is effective for my passing of exam. All these questions will be answered in this video. All you need to do is, with patience, you need to watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all this latest news about the changes in ACCA. Now, to open your ACCA Study Hub, open a Google and type ACCA Study Hub. So since I've searched it before, it's already there. Okay, it will take you to this page. You need to click the first link, ACCA Study Hub. Now, once you come down, scroll down, you can log in directly using your My ACCA credentials. So you can log in directly. For this, you have to be registered with ACCA. If you are not a ACCA student registered with ACCA online, you will not be able to log into My ACCA Hub, the ACCA Study Hub. So you need to be registered with them before you log into this. The reason I'm telling you this is because some of you might be new to ACCA. You just have thought of studying ACCA after finishing your 10th or 12th or right after your graduation. Okay, so you need it. So first do that, and then once you have, so this is my username, and then type the password and it will take you to the page. So you need to wait for some time till the page opens up. Okay, so it will take few minutes, and here you are. You will land up on this page. So you can see your name here. Okay, this is, so welcome SabiAkther, and you have all the important information here. You can see my exams account details, exam settings, then learning partner directory, ACCA study support resource, and ACCA practice platform. Okay, there is one notification here which you need to see. Only for your law, that is F4 exam. Okay, if you are sitting on or before 12 GMT, that is the Muscat time. Okay, on or before Monday 18 September 2023 only you can use the course. But if you are setting any exam after that date, you have to use the 2023-24 course only for that subject. Other subjects, everything is updated. Okay, now you will see all the subjects here. Okay, and all the subjects you have, in fact all the papers there. Okay, tax, ATX, AFM, FM, see here, and all are up to date. That is September 2023 to June 2024. Everything is updated. So you don't have to worry about getting the latest kid or textbook. All the questions and all the study text is up to date. So we'll just open any subject. Okay, let's just open financial management and see how it looks like. See, I've done something here before. That's why it's showing like this. This will show you your progress. Okay, in fact all the subject have sections. Sections means that is your study textbook. Okay, you can mark here if you want to see how many chapters you have read. One problem with the ACCA study textbook is you cannot download it. You have to read it online. I know it's little a headache kind of, because students always wants to keep it safe or read it later on, don't want to read it online, they want to read it offline. For that also, I have solved a problem. I have started with financial management lecture, which you can get it on my channel. The first lecture of financial management is out. So the resource that I've used for financial management is from the ACCA study hub only. I'll show you that. So currently I've just started with financial management. In future, inshallah, I'll be doing the other subjects as well from the study hub only. Okay, then we have flashcards, practice questions, and quizzes at the end of each chapter. Around 5 questions will be there for each quizzes. So I've done one quiz for financial management, that's why it's saying completion is 5%. Okay, you can see questions are 471 questions. It's a great question, right? 70 flashcards and 383. Okay, so we'll just open another subject. What do you want? We'll start with financial reporting. Okay, so you can go to, no, it's not ACCA. You have to click from here the subject. So we'll go to, from here, when you go to my exam, you can click the subject. So what subject do you want me to open? Financial reporting. Okay, financial reporting will open. Okay, wait few seconds. Okay, so every question, every paper will have this layout. This is your textbook. Here you can see this is your study text. These are introductory pages. Every textbook will have this. Okay, copyright, about the study text, syllabus. So we'll open this and see. You see, copyright and all those things which you don't need, because beginning of every page has this, right? Even in BPB or Kaplan it has. So about the study text and all, this is also not so important. And from here itself, so what ACCA has done for you, all the resources combined and put in one place. So from one place itself you can navigate across whatever area you want. If you want the syllabus, get it. If you want the study text, is there. If you want the questions, also is there in one place. So that's what ACCA have done. Rather than you going from place to place, questions are somewhere else, study text is somewhere else, study guide is somewhere else, everything is in one place. So that's good in a way, it saves time. So even your study syllabus is here. Okay, you can download or you can just scroll down and see this financial reporting syllabus. I've already covered it in my video. So let's go next, and these are the examinable documents, all the standards that financial reporting is going to cover. You can see IS 1, 2, 7, 8, all those things. Okay, next, employability and technology skills. This is about your CBA platform, how you have to do, which I will definitely teach you when we do questions for each subject. Okay, so you can see, you can have a read if you want once, because it is common for all the papers. And then we have essentials on one page. Take your time and read it. And we go back. So from here, these are your confidence level. I will show you one. Let's see. So here, right here, for any chapter, when you open anything, any page, you can rate your confidence. That means, are you high on that area? Are you medium? Or are you low? It's not compulsory. It is just for your own marking, so that later you can come and see in which area you have low confidence or medium to increase it to high. Since I told you, you cannot download the study text, nowhere. That's a disadvantage. That's why all these things are given here only. Here you can see a calculator is there, right? Then we have, what is this? Highlight section. You see, you can highlight like this. So when you go to highlight here, okay, so when you go here, you can see all the list that you have highlighted. So for here, chapter 1, IFRS, you have highlighted one thing. It shows one highlight. Okay, when you put the plus sign, you can see what word you have highlighted there. Okay, for bookmarks, if you have bookmarked anything, it comes under this. And if you have made any notes, it will come under this. And confidence level, if you click there. This is table of content, will show you all the chapter. So we'll just quickly go through this one, and I'm sure you will be able to do it with other subjects as well. Make sure you have selected the right subject. For example, this is financial reporting, September 2023 to June 2024. Okay. So here we have chapter, flashcard, quizzes, practice search. We'll go through flashcards and quizzes and practice, but first we'll finish with the chapter. Chapter is your textbook. So you can see here chapter 1. See, you can always expand. Okay. For example, if you want to see in chapter 2 what you have, just expand it. Put the plus sign and everything comes. You see? So chapter 2 is divided into 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Under this also we have purpose and status, general purpose, financial reporting, qualitative characteristics of information, all those things. Okay, so you can see all this chapter is here. Total how many chapters? Total 27 chapters are in your financial reporting. And when you open any one chapter, let's say the first chapter we have opened. You can open any chapter, okay? For example, if you have to click from here, okay? You can always press this or directly go to the table of content and select the appropriate chapter. But if you are going chapter by chapter, just you need to click this. You see? It will take you to the next page, and next page. You need to scroll down to see the entire page like this. Okay? And you can see the category also. That is from which section this is. Okay? So you can do that, and table of content, click again. Once you click table of content again, it will give you this. So you can see all the chapters here. Once you go till the end, there is a glossary for you. Click here and you will get the meaning of all the words. For example, with A, accounting policy, active market, amortized cost, all this are there. Okay. But all this you will get in flashcards also. That I feel is more better than glossary, because glossary is just a list of words. So you have all this, okay? It's a long list. From A to Z, you have definitions, okay? So that's how you access any textbook for any subject. For example, I want to open here, okay? You can see advantages of IFRS and disadvantages like this. It's very easy, very user-friendly and to the point. It's not very elaborated like Kaplan or BPP. If you see, sometimes it goes to more than 2-3 pages, but ACCA, if they're talking about one topic, it's in one page only. It comes in one page. So that's a very good thing. To the point. Not too much explained, not too less. So I personally, when I was creating the first lecture for financial management, since I've used the first chapter from ACCA Study Hub, I personally found it even better than Kaplan and BPP. I found it really useful. But you know, individual choices differ. You might like BPP, some of you might like Kaplan more. It's your choice, go ahead. But my thing is, since free resources are there, then why to, purchase? But anyway, now, so this is about chapter. Now you can open your flashcards here. So this is how your flashcard will look like. You see the word materiality. If you want to see the meaning of it, click on it. It will switch to the other side with the meaning. So the meaning of materiality is, information is material if its omission or misstatement could influence the decision that primary users make based on the financial information about the specific reporting entity. Okay. If you want to go to the next word, it's here. You click here. So every time you have to keep doing this. Prudence, then financial statement, economic resource, equity. Every time you have to click, you will get it. Again you click, again it will take you to the word. Isn't it very easy? But since students often find it very little, keep switching and then remembering all the words, because you're going to save it also online. This work also I've made it very easier for you. How? Ask me how. I have created a lecture where I will be showing all these flashcards to you. It will stay and you can save it also. The advantage of those lectures is you can save those flashcards without keep on switching like this. But in case if you want to use this, you can do it. But my lectures is going to be effective for you in terms of studying, because the word will be in front of you and you can save those slides from my channel. I have not uploaded yet on my channel, but that's my plan. I'm going to do it for all the subject. Okay, do comment me below on this video if you want it. Okay, if you find that's going to be effective for you or not. And you can see from here See, 6 of 133. That shows there are 133 flashwords. So that number will tell you. Then we have quizzes. So quizzes, your status will be told here whether you have completed, incomplete or paused. Okay. So we'll open any quiz. Okay. So I've got 0% correct. 5 questions are there for each quiz. It will tell you how correct and whether it's wrong. And by the way, if you are wrong, they will tell you the correct answer also. You can review your answer always at the end. And they will also show you the minutes you have taken to answer that question. How many seconds or minutes. Okay. So let's, and based on the chapter. So there are 27 chapter, 27 quizzes and 5 questions for each chapter. Okay. That means 5, do 5 into 27 and you will find the total number of quizzes. So let's go to chapter 1 and see how the quizzes look like. Okay. Reset the test. You can always keep on resetting the test. There is nothing, no harm. Okay. You will get the same questions only every time you reset, because I've done it before and I kept on. So start the quiz from here. Okay. This is how your quiz will look like. Select the right answer. So which of the following is not a likely benefit when a country adopts IFRS? Okay. Not a benefit. Improve access to growth is a benefit. Conversion to IFRS is very little cost. Easier for countries to work in other countries. A and D are benefit. Confused between B and C. So C is the answer, because conversion to IFRS is costly. Then, which of the following are benefits of IFRS? Integrity, accountability, and transparency, accountability, and efficiency. A. Which of the following is not issued by A? This one. All 3 are issued except the last, D. And 4. Whose needs are general purpose is intended to meet? Primary user of financial statements, B. C. And which of the following are standard setting of IFRS foundation? 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2, C. Confirm. So you see, out of 5, I've got 4 right answer. That's why it's 80%. So you can see from here. Third one is wrong. I purposely have done one wrong to show you how it is when it's wrong. So this is how, and you can always go here, review, and it will show you. This was the correct answer, the green one. And your answer was D. So the correct answer is B, interpretations. Okay, and they will tell you from which chapter it was tested and the section also. Isn't it very user friendly? Right? So now, so here you can remove the highlight, and here you can bookmark the question. If you want to bookmark a particular question, bookmark. And this one is for recording a note to this question. You see, once you click this, this thing will come. You can always make a note to it if you want. Add. Okay. So the moment you go to chapter, highlight. One thing is highlighted. Bookmark. You have no bookmark. Notes. So you have to save it. I think it was not saved. In the chapter you have no notes, but yeah. So when you go to quizzes, there is a note. So note is for separate things. One is for chapter, flashcard, quizzes or practice. Okay. Bookmark also, highlight also. See, you have bookmarked one thing and highlight. Dashboard gives you the overall picture of where you are. Now let us go to the practice. So in practice, you will get all the questions. See here, questions. All the questions are here. And if you see what type of question, is it a section A, section B, section C? That also they will tell you. See, this is OT. OT means objective test questions. So that is section A questions. Then, and there are 6 questions, 0 of 6 from chapter 1. So this is very easy, because earlier in your Kaplan or BPP Tech kit, you have to sort it out. This one is for chapter 1, this one is for chapter 2, then you have to do question. Here it is already sorted out for you. You have no headache, you just have to go and do the question, because you know it is from chapter 1. So the moment you finish chapter 1, immediately go to revision kit and start doing question for that chapter. So this is the best way of studying. And then all these are OT questions, okay? For each chapter they have given question 1, 2, 3, and they have grouped it together and gave. So 6 questions of OT from chapter 1, 6 questions of OT from chapter 2, sorry, 13, okay? And then we have OT revision cases. That is section V questions based on a case study. So you can see here 5 questions. They have given the name of the company. If you see a kid of BPP or Kaplan, you will get this name of the company. These are past paper questions. It will be there. Then the last one are constructed response question. Section C question is also there. This is on consolidated financial statement. This is on consolidated profit and loss. They have given you the name of the companies also. And if you see, mostly it is one question. Sometimes it will be more than one. Like here, 2. And here, study questions. Okay, study questions based on your textbook questions. So all the type of questions they have for you from your study textbook, they have study questions. Okay, so we'll open one and see. We'll open all the 3 type of questions and see how it looks. Start practice. You see, 6 questions are there, similar to your quizzes. So we'll go back. You have no option to go back, only forward. So how do you come back then? You can just skip. Okay, skip. Back. Okay. Now we'll open second set of question, that is objective revision. We'll go here, start practice. You see here, you'll be given the case study. Based on that, you have to select the right answer. Okay. I'm going to go back. You can go back from here also. Now I'm going to go to the third type of question, that is constructed. We'll open one question. Start practice. You see here, just see. And then you are given questions like this. How do you do this, by the way? Because you don't have options to select. You have to click plan your answer and automatically a response comes here. You see, you can type here something you type. And then you can confirm. And once you confirm, below you can see their answer that they have given. This is your answer. And see the answer that they have given. They have given everything. So isn't it very easy? They have given the answer below to you for each A, B, and C. In green box, you can see your answer. Okay, and it shows complete. No matter whatever you type, even if it's right or wrong, the moment you type something in that box, it shows complete. Same like your CB platform. Continue. So continue. You see here. Review. So this is the answer. Okay, this box. And you can see the time also. This will help you to manage your time also, because in your real exam, it's a 3-hour paper. You have to manage your time. Right? For P level 3 hours 15 minutes and F level 3 hours. So this is a very good technique, all in one. If you want to search anything, you can search anything. Let's say if you want to search IFRS, search. Or IFRS 15 you want to search. Search. You see, IFRS 15. What do you want? Criteria, revision questions, everything will come. So if you want to go to a specific place, you can search it. They will tell you the number of results also. Okay. So this is how this thing will look. Now let's open another paper. Since I've taken the resource from financial management, let's open a financial management subject. The only difference with P level is P level you just have one type of question, that is you have to write. Like how we have seen in section C, constructed response questions. In your P level, all the questions are constructed response questions only. No section A and B. That is the only difference. Other than that, but in case you want to have a demo of that as well, let's open strategic business reporting. I have opened the UK version. Let me open the international version. Okay, let's open another subject, I think, because we are too much into financial reporting. Okay, let's open AFM. Let's say, because that is the subject which I teach also. My expertise is in AFM, so let's open AFM. Where is AFM? Okay, let's open SBL. So SBL, if you see, you have professional skill as chapter 1, okay, because you need all this. In P level you will have this separate section for professional skills, okay. It is not in F level. Then we have leadership, culture and all those things, and chapter wise you see how many chapters. So see, based on this chapter wise you can decide your study also timetable, how many days I need to select each. So here also we have flashcards, you can see similar to the FR. Quizzes also we have here, practice we have. When you go to practice you will see here, okay. So these are technical and professional skills practice. These are your past paper questions you can do from here, and they will tell you the chapter also based on which chapter. If you see, mostly it's one question for each topic, okay. So you can do this. Let's say we'll pick one, start practice. You see, just see the length of the question given in P level, and then this. So usually exhibits and all are given, okay. So for those ones you have to go under full exam style case study. We'll go open one and see, because we have exhibits and all there. You see here, pre-seen information. By the way, in SBL and SBR there has been changes in how question will be asked. In SBL you will be given a case study 2 weeks before the exam for September sitting. It's a pre-seen information. Some information will be pre-seen and some of it, not the entire case study, will be given on the day of the exam, okay. So you see here they have given some information to you. So all this information are pre-seen. You must have been read it before and you have to be prepared when you go, okay. And on the day of the exam they will give you some additional information which you need and what you have studied, what you have prepared, and then you have to write your answer. So when I start my SBL, I will explain you in detail how it will look like and how you have to go about solving questions then. In this video I will not be able to cover that changes in syllabus and all, because the reason for this is to show you the ACCA study hub only. But you can see the questions, okay. So this is how the question looks like. You'll be having exhibits. You need to open all these exhibits to see information, okay. So this is your real exam. And then plan answer. When you plan answer you can write here, okay. So that's how you have to do it. Now let me go to FM. Okay, let me search FM. Okay. Okay, let's search from here. I was not able to get it from there. Yes, it's here. So my first lecture, if you see, is from chapter 1, section A of your syllabus. Just open here and see. You can see this. It's very much with my lecture. My lectures took all these points. I've converted these points into the slide. The reason I've done is because I know you will not take your time and read this through here. Maybe a very few portion of the students will read it online like this. They want something to save and read later on whenever they want. So I've created this into slides. Before I used to do it from Kaplan. Now I've taken from ACCA Study Hub and converted it into slide. You can save it. You can get all those slides from me on my channel. All you need to do is go to the above section of my channel, go down and click FM lecture and download. That's it you need to do. So that's all about your ACCA Study Hub. And about the changes in SBR questions and SBL, I will teach you when I introduce the specific subject, the changes. It will not be possible for me to cover this in this video because the purpose of this video is the ACCA Study Hub. I just wanted to take you through the ACCA Study Hub, how it looks like. Okay, so it's very user friendly. Do take few minutes from each day and go to your ACCA Study Hub for any subject and keep practicing there. Make yourself familiar with it because this is your future. Okay, so that's it. I hope that you find this video useful. If you did, please comment me below and let me know if you want me to create video on any specific matter other than lecture, which I obviously do. Specific video if you want, do comment me below. You can connect with me on Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp. To get my number on WhatsApp, you need to email me, send an email. The reason I don't disclose my number is for security purpose, because then everyone keeps messaging and disturbing me. I don't want that. I only want genuine ACCA students who want my help. So I will provide my help through my number, which you will get only after you send me an email that you want my number for whatever reasons. So that's it, and do subscribe to my channel, and also you can watch lecture of AFM, SBR, SBL, AAA, taxation, advanced taxation, and now financial management. Thank you and take care.